Hey man, what do you do for a living?
I sell drugs.
Sell drugs?
Hell yeah.
Love to see it. And what do you do for a living?
Private equity.
Private equity? Thank you. What do you do for a living?
I have 6 companies.
6 companies?
Yes.
What kind of field?
Software development for Fortune 500 companies and government agencies to real estate title extraction for national title firms.
Wow. Congrats.
Why?
I run a TikTok where I ask people in nice cars what they do for a living.
I have a rich father-in-law.
Rich father-in-law? Awesome. Appreciate it.
I smuggle drugs across the border.
Okay. Snuggles drugs. Okay. Okay, I appreciate it. What do you do for a living? A lawyer. A lawyer? I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Okay, I have a home health agency that specializes in orthopedics.
Awesome. Home health orthopedics.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Excuse me. What do you do for a living?
Watch dealer.
Watch dealer? Nice car, man. Appreciate it.
The timepiece gentleman on Instagram.
Timepiece gentleman? Okay. Thank you. Hey, man. What do you do for a living?
How's that leg?
We get high.